Hello everyone. In this module of Python Pandas series, we will do some practical based on series data structure, how to create series using missing value, perform mathematical operation, accessing series elements and slicing. So let's start with our Python script mode. Here we are creating series using missing value, that is NaN. NaN, not a number, is an attribute of NumPy library. NaN is used when size is defined but elements or data are missing. So these are my commands. So let's start with program. Import NumPy as NP, as NaN is the attribute of NumPy library, so we have to import NumPy. Import pandas as PD. Obj is a variable name equals to pd.series, and here the elements are 3. There are 3 elements in a list, out of which one element is missing. For this I am using np.nan. Run the file. As you can see, NaN in the data item. So using NaN, you can print the series when size is defined but the element is missing. Now let's start some mathematical operation using series. So here is my command. Import pandas as PD. Import NumPy as NP. These two are alias name. S1 is a variable name equal to np.arange 10 and 15. Obj is another variable for panda series, which will store the index and the data, which will be multiplied by 4. Let's correct the parenthesis. When you print the object, run the file. Using range function, we can display the index starting from 10 to 14, and the data will be multiplied by 4. Here we are using arange function, which will be start from 10 and goes up to 14 and minus 1. If you want to add some value, then you can use plus mathematical operator. So it will display your index 10 to 14 and the numbers in the series plus 40. So in the same manner you can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and other mathematical operators. Now let's see how we can access series elements, index and value. For this we have to import pandas as PD. As is the variable name, and here is my list. Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So this is my string type of list. Ensure that all the strings will be enclosed properly. Print pd.series, just pass the argument s, using variable data. So it will simply print your series at index position 0 to 6 and the data are Sunday to Saturday. If you want to extract index only, then you can use or extract index using access operator dot. So it will shows your index which will start from 0 and stop equals to 7 and the step value is 1. In the same manner you can access the value. So you have to write data dot values. So it will extract your all values Sunday to Saturday. Let's try with some other statements. If you want to extract element at third position, element at third place in series, so you have to pass the index position 2, which means 0 1 2. It will extract third element from the list, that is Tuesday. So you can extract elements at index position. And if you are writing 0, so it will extract Sunday at index position 0. If you are using slicing operator 3, so it will gives you first 3 index values, that is Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. And in the same manner, if you are using on the left hand side of the slicing operator, so it will gives you from third to last. So it will gives you all the rows from third to 6. Let's try with minus or negative values. So it will gives you for last 3 values, that is 4 5 6. On the right hand side I am writing negative number 3 of slicing operator. So it will gives you all rows except last 3 rows. So it will not display Thursday, Friday and Saturday. You can perform slicing operator actually starting from second element. 1 means on 0 it's Sunday, on 1 it's Monday. So it will extract from Monday to Tuesday. Now let's try to access some rows using head and tail function. writing here head function without any argument, so it will gives you top 5 rows by default. There are 5 rows. So here I am writing the command. It will extract you by default. Extract top 5 rows. If you want to extract top 3 rows, so you can use the argument or the number, so it will gives you first 3 rows, that is Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Using tail function without any argument, so it will gives you last 5 rows by default. The last 5 rows are start from Tuesday to Saturday. And here is the argument 3. It will print last 3 rows. Now let's see how we can drop or delete elements from series. For this we can use drop function. Print data dot drop and the index value or index position 3. So it will remove Wednesday at index position 3. So using drop function you can remove elements from the series. So just try these programs and it's all about series. Thank you.